Kuhitukira mutambo wake wa Twitter, munini wa mutongoria wa bururi oigite turakungwira guciarwo gwa Gakenge Jesu tondu Ngai ni atwendete na uguo ithuothe twagirirwo ni kwendana. Ruto athiete na mbere kuga riri ni ihinda ria kwiyaka ta bururi tukirora muturire wa ciana citu niguo bururi ukorwo na muthingi murumu wa guthie na mbere. Ritana ria munini wa president riukite thutha wa mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta kurekereria ndumiriri ya thiguku kuri bururi na kuga ni ihinda ria Akenya guikarania hamwe na njira ya thayu.
We can do far more together than we can apart. And we remember that any Kenyan's child is to be honored as our own. Unity is at the heart of Christmas.
Macio magithiaga na mbere, Bishop wa kanitha wa ACK Eldoret Dagitari Christopher Ruto nyoritie mutongoria wa NASA Raila Odinga ateanirie igeria riake ria kwihitithio akiuga no rigayanie bururi.
May the leaders speak to each other. The president speak also very closely even with the former Prime Minister, the Right Honorable Raila Odinga. Let them speak. We do not want to hear about plans to sway any other president.
Bishop Ruto aritie thutha wa Raila gutitirithia ni akehitithio.
Mimi nimesema kama kifo ndio wa Kenya mpaka ifanyike Kenya hii ili wa Kenya wawe na uhuru ya uchaguzi. Tuko tayari kulipa.
Ihinda-inĩ riu Inspector General wa borithi Joseph Boynet nĩoigĩte ũgitĩri mũgacĩrithie kona ciothe cia bũrũri hĩndĩ ya mambura maya.
We have purposed and determined to provide public safety and security to our people, and especially during this season of Christmas and the upcoming New Year festivities.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Kimemia wa Mwangi.